Welcome. In front of me I have Doogee N30, and today I will show you the camera top tricks. So the first thing, we are going to focus on the features that we have right here in this camera, and after that I'm going to talk about the mode that we have here. So let's start by opening the settings, and as you can see at the first, we can quickly activate image stabilization by choosing anti-shake. So when you tap on this feature, it will be activated, and right now our videos will look more stable. We got here also the self timer. So when you tap on it, okay, and choose 2 or 10 seconds, for example, let's go for the 2, and then when you take a photo, and the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. But you have to be in the picture mode for sure. Take a look. As you can see, there's the count, and after 2 seconds, the photo is taken. We can also switch to the 10 seconds. We can also quickly increase our image quality, image resolution by going for the picture size. As you can see, it's currently set up on 18:9 on the 11 megapixels, but we can switch for the 4:3 to the 16 megapixels. And right now our photo will look definitely better. We can also activate location tags on our photos by tapping on the switcher, and when you take a photo, just like that, we will get exact location where the photo was taken. So take a look, and when you tap on the right upper corner to go for the details, here we got location of our photo. And let's check what we got here also. Oh yeah, there's also the watermark. When you enable and you take a photo, on the left upper corner, on the left bottom corner, you will get mark that the photo was taken on the Doogee smartphone. Wait a minute, this one. As you can see, there's the mark. The photo was taken on Doogee N30 AI quad camera. Okay, and that's all from the settings and the features. When you are in the standard mode, in the picture mode, we can, for example, go for the ultra wide lens to catch more details on the photos, I mean more objects. So there's the normal lens, and go for the ultra wide. We have to switch here, and as you can see, it's definitely more wider. We get also the macro mode by tapping on the flower icon. So we have to keep our smartphone for like 4 centimeters away from the object, and we can take a photo like that. Wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, that's the macro photo from the smartphone. Of course, it's not the best quality, but you can use it still. We get here also the Pro mode, so we are able to quickly make your photo more brighten when you go here. So take a look, that's how it looks. And when I take on the ISO and change it manually, and also change the exposure, we are able to get more light on our photos. So it's very useful when you are in the dark scenario. Take a look, there's this photo taken with picture mode and with Pro mode, and take a look on the difference. There's the picture mode normal, and there's the Pro mode, and this photo is more brightened. And we got also the monochromatic photo, so the black and the white colors only on the photos. And we got also the Bookie mode, so take a look. Maybe we can take it like that, yeah. And the photo taken with Bookie mode looks just like that. Honestly, it's not that good. And that's all. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.